In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design free e-commerce website using Canva Website Builder. First, open Canva and click on Website. You'll land in the Website Builder area where you can explore layouts and styles. In the search bar within the Design panel, type e-commerce. This filters the templates to show store-focused designs. Browse through the pre-designed free templates and pick one that matches your brand's look and the number of products you plan to showcase. Make sure it's labeled free so you can publish without extra costs. Once your template is loaded, customize it to fit your brand. Replace the placeholder text with clear headlines and short product descriptions. Swap the images with your own product photos by dragging them into the frames. Use high-quality, well-lit images and keep the background clean to make your products stand out. Adjust fonts and colors to align with your branding. And keep them consistent across the pages for a polished feel. Add prices beneath each product and create a clear Buy Now button for every item. You can add a button from the Elements panel, style it with your brand colors and use concise text like Buy Now or Checkout. Because Canva doesn't include a built-in shopping cart, you'll connect those buttons to external payment links. Copy the direct checkout link from your payment provider, such as Stripe or PayPal, or from a specific product page on a platform like Shopify. In Canva, select your button, click the link option, and paste the URL. For a better user experience, set the link to open in a new tab so shoppers can easily return to your site. Double-check that each product goes to the correct link before moving on. Next, structure your site with multiple pages so it's easy to navigate. At minimum, include a home page, a product catalog, and a contact section. Use the page management tools to add new pages and name them clearly. On your home page, highlight your best sellers and a simple value statement. In the catalog, arrange products in logical categories, and keep spacing and alignment consistent. For the contact section, include straightforward ways for customers to reach you and a short message encouraging them to get in touch. When you are ready, click Share, then Website, and choose Publish Website. Select the free domain option and set your URL. Keep it short, relevant, and easy to remember. After publishing, visit your live site on desktop and mobile. Test every Buy Now button and make quick adjustments if needed. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.